Welcome back. We're here with Mike Myrie with Defense Dynamics, and he's going to talk about a little bit about what he does and how how it impacts Low Country Preserve and what you do out here as well.
Well, Low Country Preserve is it's ideal for what we do. It's actually a catalyst for our company because we gear our classes, our firearm classes, towards the average citizen. It's what we call family friendly. Our classes range from basics all the way up to your advanced tactical classes. We try to stay around the basics because our mission is to educate and get everybody safe and familiar with firearms instead of being so proficient that you're ready for combat. But that's what we gear our classes for.
So you've got classes that teach you the basics, and
Yes,
you and
sir.
I have talked about this. You have a Pistol 101, or what's the name of that?
Right. We even have basic NRA classes.
Right.
We have First Steps, which
First
is
Steps.
the basic class, and it's geared towards the individual who has very little or no training at all. And those who have those firearm fears, well, we try to dispel those fears and get you comfortable and get you educated on choosing a firearm that's right for you, fitting it, and getting out and learning all the safety and get the proficiency after.
And one of the good things about that, Mike, is, like you said, you're teaching people that have very little knowledge about weapon systems, be it personal defense or whatever, but you're building that ability for people to feel comfortable with them and not to have those fears. And then once they get past that and they become avid gun owners and responsible gun owners, you can take them to the even next level.
Exactly,
right?
exactly. We do have advanced classes. And when I say advanced, it's advanced manipulation of that particular firearm. We're not fast roping out of helicopters or anything like that.
Right.
But you will be able to utilize that firearm in a critical situation, and you'll be effective even under stressful situations or under situations where it will require you to think as opposed to drawing your firearm and shooting.
And one of the things that you have talked to me about since joining the chamber is you want to help people to understand, the average citizen, once they purchase that weapon, how to use it within that stressful environment, as you were saying, and also how to use it within their home and be safe within their home if they have an invasion or need to protect themselves, their family, until the first responders get there.
Right. Our focus is education, like I said. Education and developing what we call a defensive discipline. And it's learning how to pay attention to situational awareness. And if you find yourself in a critical condition, you'll be able to respond regardless of the stress that you're going through. And our classes are designed to get a person familiarized with those stressful situations and manipulate the firearm and still think effectively and protect themselves or their loved ones.
Because as we've spoken, you can go out and get that concealed weapons permit and purchase that first gun, but until you're put into a high-stress situation and really understand what you're facing, all that is just the beginning. That's just step one, as you call it, to getting that.
Yes, sir. Mr. Dawkins made a good point saying, the concealed carry class is not a pistol class.
Right.
It's basically about the laws and what you can and what you can't do with a firearm. Well, our classes take it to another step where we now show you when you have this responsibility, you're going to have to develop a mindset of how to conduct yourself in an environment where there are other civilians and possibly a threat, and how to react effectively and not just immediately go to your firearm, but how to think effectively.
Last but not least, let me ask you this. We're standing here talking to you. We know your business is Defense Dynamics. Your wife's involved with your business heavily, Alicia. Tell us a little bit about your credentials, if you don't mind.
Well, my wife and I are both combat veterans. I'm Marine Corps, she's Army. We've spent numerous tours. We also have some civilian contracting overseas. And also, we both have been trainers. I personally have been a martial arts trainer practically all my life. I trained Marines in the Marine Corps. I've done firearms training in the Marine Corps. I've been attached to different Marine Corps Special Operations units, and my wife, as I said, she's Army. She's actually she was a combat fueler.
Okay.
While she was stationed in the
And
Army.
you both are NRA certified
Yes, we are.
instructors?
We're both
and,
NRA certified.
And there's another certification you told me about.
USCCA.
Yes. Which,
We're affiliate instructors for the USCCA.
okay.
That's fantastic.
So it's, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is another facet that they've added out here at Low Country Preserves with the Defense Dynamics, partnering up with them. It's a great opportunity for you to learn and educate and become responsible gun owners, as well as be able to purchase those things and have people that know what they're doing teach you about what fits your situation.
So to find out the information about your classes, what's your website? And you have a Facebook page as well.
Yes, we do. You can find us. Our website is defensedynamics.org, and our Facebook page is also Facebook.com/defensedynamics.org. Or you can just punch in the keywords Defense Dynamics North Carolina, and we'll come up on Facebook.
That's
So
great.
be sure and go and like their page. If you're interested in classes, you can go there. You can also call Todd and his staff at Low Country Sports, and they can give you a rundown too on any future classes that are coming up. Mike, we appreciate you being here.
Thank
Welcome
you.
to the chamber.
We sure do. Now drop and do 20.
Thank you. That's fun.